Everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tara with Mayhem Crafty Cards, and as you can see, I finally got my Simon Says Stamp September box. It came today, and the only thing I've done so far was just took my scissors across the tape because I struggled last time. So let's open this guy up. I'm going to take out my package. It always comes wrapped in this like brown paper bag with your sticker. So I'm just going to go ahead and empty the whole thing out because this bag makes a lot of noise. So super exciting this month because, let me just double check, you get a jewel picker. These are great. These are fantastic. You also get these little envelopes, which I cannot wait to use on my cards. They're so tiny and so cute. Of course, you get your sucker, your bag of sequins, which they're really fun, really bright colors this time. You also get the die, Sending Smiles, or wait a minute, yes, Sending Smiles. So that will go along with the stamp set, which I'll show you here in a second. You get one smaller envelope and one, I want to say A2 envelope. You get your little card, and of course, Stampember starts today, so. And then you get this paper pack, and it's full of all kinds of fun, different little patterns, and it's double-sided. So that's really pretty, and I really like the houses. So yeah, you get a paper pack, and then you get your stamp set. So I'm super excited for this one because I love these little guys here. There's lots of great sentiments in here. And then, of course, you're Sending Smiles. Let me grab that die. So you can either stamp it, die cut it, stamp and die cut it, and it fits your sentiment. Of course, I would have to do it upside down, but it fits your sentiment very well. So you get things like hugs enclosed, I really miss you, my heart misses you, consider this a paper hug, wish you lived closer, I am here, you are there, I totally hugged this card before mailing it. That's sort of like sending a hug, right? So I thought that was super cute. You also get your inspiration, and it lets you know what you get in your kit. And then here comes your papers. So you get this purple, this awesome teal looking color, pink, like an orangey yellow type color, and then your 110-pound paper. So I cannot wait to get started making cards. Have you guys gotten your kit yet? Let me know down below, and I'll make sure that I have it linked if the kit is still available. Like I said, I just now got mine today, so I'm super excited to get playing with this. And yeah, let me know if you guys got yours and what have you been making with it. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.